Hello everyone, I am Tastemul Hassan. Today I will talk about my project property recommendation system. The real estate analyst and appraisers spend days or even weeks manually identifying comparable properties, which are often uh, offer no transparent reasoning behind selection, and users struggle to understand why the property is comparable and how prices are derived. So the possible solution can be to build an intelligent comparable solution which will identify the top three most similar properties using machine learning, and also the large language model powered price range prediction and justification. So the key features of my project is it can detect the top three property and can generate human-like explanation using ChatGPT 4 to explain why each comparable property is relevant and estimated a price range. Uh, it also includes the SHAP-based global and local explanation using the bison plot, bar chart, and the waterfall plot. I also integrated a interactive geospatial map where I can plot the properties, including the subject property and the comparable properties, and after clicking on that it will show me the details of the property. So the methodology is initially I pre-process the addresses, as the addresses columns are not standardized. Then I go for the feature selection techniques, and then I go for the data transformation. After that I try to generate the relevant feature using LLM and geostatistics, like in the subject data there was no latitude or longitude, same for the comparable data. So I use the GeoPy and the OpenAI API to generate columns like the latitude and longitude, which help me to generate features like distance to subject, and also it helps me to plot. Then I go for the machine learning model training, cost validation, thresholding, and benchmarking. Here the thresholding is important because the data was really imbalanced, and the optimal threshold can tackle this scenario. Then I go for the SHAP based global and local explanation. So then I plotted the map and generate the explanation and the subject's price range using the OpenAI ChatGPT 4. So here I can see the uh, F1 score versus threshold graph. So it shows that not the traditional 0.5 score is ideal here. Here are the results. Like here you can see the confusion matrices and the evaluation matrices using the F1 score, decision recall, accuracy, and ROCS score. So here is the summary plot using the bar chart and the bison chart. Using the shape, it represents the which features contributed more. So here is the local explanation. So here I can see the output of our application, where there is a map and a LLM generated explanation. So if I have to show you, let's see. So here is my app. First I have to select the address. Now it is like address, but later on I can integrate the different values like the room number, properties, etc. So after giving this address, there can be like multiple uh, options are here. So if I try different addresses, then say, yeah. So here the green color is the subject property and rest of the others are not subject property or not included. So I used the machine learning model to predict these top three, and if I want to generate the reason, then I have to click it here. Yeah, it generates explanation that how they are similar and why this price is justified or not. Yep, and here is my uh, results and the training pipeline. So it is the overall results and the confusion matrices and the thresholding graphs and the bar chart, the sum chart and the waterfall chart. Yep. Thank you.